Hello children, welcome to your previous class. Let's discuss about the plants are our friends. How plants are our friends? Plants are very useful for us. Plants gives us oxygen, food, shade and shelter. Plants keep the air clean, fresh by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. This is the very important for our human beings and also animal. Plants are give us oxygen which helps us to survival. Okay, human being are survival due to oxygen. Okay, we get different kinds of food from plant. We get different kinds of food from plant like fruit, vegetable, nuts, spices, coffee, tea and oil. These are the food we get from plants. Okay, plant provides us fibers. Plant provides us fibers. From that fibers we make our clothes. Okay, then trees provide us wood for making furniture. Some trees gives us wood. From that wood we make our furniture like sisam, mahogany, teak. From that trees we get wood and make our furniture. Okay, trees provide us medicine. Trees also provide us medicine. Some medicinal plants, from medicinal plants we get medicine like tulsi, neem, clove, ginger. These are the medicinal plants. From these plants we get medicine. Tulsi and ginger are used for cough. Okay, where we are suffering from cough we use tulsi and ginger, and neem is very useful for skin disease. Okay, flowers of few plants are used to prepare perfume. From flowers we make our perfume. Okay, like champa, rose and jasmine flower we get perfumes. We make our perfumes from those flowers. Okay, then dyes are produced from beetroot. Dyes in colors. Okay, we make color from beetroot, indigo and henna. Henna are used to dyeing our hair. Okay, we also get rubber from the rubber plant, and also we make paper from bamboo trees. Okay, now let us discuss the question answer part from your chapter 2. Your first number A, fill in the blanks. Your number 1 question is, plant keep air fresh and clean by taking in dash and giving out dash. Plant keep air fresh and clean by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. So you write here carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Okay, then comes to your number 2. Plant keep air fresh and clean by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. You write here oxygen. Okay, then number 2, dash and dash are used to make clothes and bags. Coconut and jute fibers are used to make clothes and bag. Okay, then number 3, plants need dash and sunlight to grow. Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. So you write here air, water, soil. Sunlight is given. So plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Then number 4, dash and dash are examples of exotic plants. Example of exotic plants are vanilla and lychee. Vanilla and lychee are examples of exotic plant. Okay, then number 5, dash and dash are examples of climbers. Climbers are money plant, and bean plant. Money plant and bean plants are examples of climbers. Okay, now all of you now clear? Your second number is match the following words. Okay, here 5 words are given. We match them with this column. Okay, medicine. Medicine. We get medicine from which plant? Bamboo, indigo, tulsi, mahogany, coconut. Tulsi. So you match medicine with tulsi. Okay. Then number 2 is furniture. Furniture. We get furniture from which plant? Bamboo. From bamboo we get paper, from indigo we get colors, from mahogany we get wood. From that wood we make our furniture. Okay. Then paper. Paper is made from bamboo tree. You all know that paper are made from bamboo tree. Okay. Then coir. Coir is the special fiber which we get from coconut tree. Okay, from coir we get coir from coconut tree. From coir we make bags, rugs and mattresses. Okay, from coir we make, this is a fiber we get from coconut tree. From this fiber we made mats and rugs. Okay, then dye. Dye is a color we get from indigo plant, so you match dye with indigo. Okay. Then we have question number C. The question is write true for T and F for false. Here the statements are given. Which is true, we write the T, and which is false, we write the F. Okay. Here number 1 question is cacti grow in places that receive good rain. Cacti is a desert plant, so in desert area there is very little rain, so this one is false. Okay, this one is false. Then number 2, rainforests grow in places that are hot and humid. You have already read in your book, rainforests are growing hot and humid climate, so this one is true. So you write the T. Okay, then number 3. Some exotic plants are vanilla and lychee. The example of exotic plants are vanilla and lychee. So this one also true. Okay. Then question number 4. Question number 4 is is this correct? No, herbs are soft green plants. Okay, herbs are very soft and green plants. Okay, so this one is false. The stem of the herbs are green in color and these are the soft plants. Okay, then number 5. Then number 5 is plants in the air. Plants in the air fresh by taking in carbon dioxide. Air fresh by taking in carbon dioxide. Okay. The number 5 question is your plants keep the air fresh by taking in carbon dioxide. Yes, always plant taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. That oxygen helps that oxygen keeps the air fresh and clean. So by taking in carbon dioxide, plants keep Now let us discuss the question number D. Your question number D is answer the question. Here your question number 1 is given. What is tree? And give some examples. Your first question is what is tree? Give some example. Tree is a plant that is tall, big and strong. It has a thick, strong and woody stem called trunk. Okay, we had already read about this in your chapter 2. What is tree? Tree is a plant that is tall, big and strong. It has thick, strong and woody stem called trunk. Okay, the example of tree is mango, neem and banyan. The example of tree is mango, neem and banyan. Okay, now all of you write down this number, question number 1 and answer in your copy. Okay. Then in your question number 2, your question is how is herb different from shrub? Okay, how herb is different from shrub? Herb is a very small plant, whereas the shrub is a small to medium sized plant. Okay, this is the difference, and it has soft green stem, but herb has soft green stem, but herb has soft green stem, but shrub has small hard woody Your second question is how is herb different from shrub? Herb is a very small plant. It has soft green stem. It lives for one season, whereas shrub is a small to medium sized hard woody plant. This is a hard woody plant, but it has soft stem, but its stem is very hard. It lives for few years. This is the difference between herb and shrub. Herb is a very small plant, whereas shrub is a small to medium sized plant. It has soft green stem, but the stem of shrub are very hard and woody. It lives for one season. Herb lives for one season, but the shrub lives for few years. So you write the answer like this. Herb is a very small plant. It has soft green stem. It lives only for one season, whereas shrub is a small to medium sized hard woody plant. It lives for few years. Okay. Now you write down this answer in your copy. Okay. In question number 3, your question is how is climber different from creepers? How is climber different from creepers? We had already read in this chapter. Climbers are different from creepers. A climber has weak stem. A climber has weak stem, but a creeper has weak soft stem. Creeper has weak and soft stem, but a climber has weak stem. Whereas it grows with the help of a stick, walls or another tree growing adjacent to it. But the creepers grow along the ground. Okay, this is the difference between climbers and creepers. How you write? You write like this. A climber has weak stem and it grows with the help of a stick, a wall or another tree growing adjacent to it. Whereas a creeper is a plant with weak soft stem that grows along the ground. Okay, this is how you write the answer of question number 3. Okay, now you write down this answers in your copy. Then your question number 4 is write 4 important uses of plants. In this video we had already discussed about the uses of plants. So here write only 4 important uses of plants. The important uses of plants are they give us oxygen. This is the one of the important uses. They give us oxygen, food, flowers, shade and shelter. Plant gives us oxygen, food, flowers, shade and shelter. And the second one is they provide us various fibers like jute. From jute we make clothes and bags. Okay. From number 3, they provide us wood to make furniture. From wood we make different type of furniture. That wood we get from plant. Okay, then number 4, they provide us medicine. From plants we also get medicine. Some medicinal plants are your neem, tulsi, clove, ginger. These are the medicinal plants from which we get medicines. Okay, this is the question answer of number 4. Like this you write. Okay, write down in your copy. Okay. Your question number 5 is name 2 plants that grows in these areas. Here 4 areas are given. We write 2 plants name here. Okay. In mountain areas we found fir and pine trees. Okay. In mountain areas we found fir and pine trees. In desert area we found cacti and date palms. In desert area we found cacti and date palms. In water we found lotus and lily. In water we found the plants lotus and lily. In plain area we found Asoka tree and cotton trees. Okay, in this area we found these trees. Okay, in mountain we found fir and pine. In desert area we found cacti and date palms. In water we found lotus and lily. In the plain we found Asoka tree and cotton tree. Okay, your chapter 2 is finished. Till then, take care. Bye bye.